today's fast-paced world, customers interact with brands through a multitude of channels. From smartphones to laptops and bricks-and-mortar stores, the customer journey is more diverse than ever before. That's where omnichannel marketing comes into play, a strategy that connects the dots, providing seamless customer experiences. So, what is omnichannel marketing? Omnichannel is a holistic approach that unifies all your brand's touchpoints to create a cohesive customer journey. Imagine your customers seamlessly transitions from your website to your social media and then to your physical store, all while experiencing a consistent brand message. Omnichannel marketing is all about meeting your customers where they are and making their journey effortless. Now, let's explore the benefit of adopting an omnichannel strategy. First, it leads to improved customer satisfaction and loyalty. Customers love brands that make their life easier, and they reward them with their loyalty. Second, it can significantly increase your revenue. When customers can shop with ease, they tend to spend more. Third, it provides valuable data insights. Omnichannel marketing allows you to gather data from multiple touchpoints, helping you understand your customer better. Now, how do you implement omnichannel marketing? It starts with understanding your customers and their preferred channel. Create detailed customer personas to tailor your messages effectively. Next, integrate your channels. Ensure that customers can switch between channels effortlessly. Use content calendars and automation tools to maintain consistency. Track and analyze customer interactions at each touchpoint. Finally, make data-driven decisions to optimize your strategies. Let's take a look at some real-world examples of brands that have mastered omnichannel marketing. Amazon seamlessly integrates its website, social media, and email marketing. Customers receive personalized recommendations based on their browsing and purchase history. Our second case study, a coffee chain, Zeus, uses a mobile app that lets customers order and pay ahead. Customers can order on their phones and have their coffee ready when they arrive at the store. Lastly, Zara, a fashion brand, creates a seamless experience by syncing its physical stores with its e-commerce site. Customers can try on clothes in-store, and if their size isn't available, they can order it online. To ensure the success of your omnichannel strategy, you need to measure key metrics. Metrics like customer journey completion rate and channel attributions help you fine-tune your approach. Looking ahead, keep an eye on emerging trends like AI-powered chatbots, voice search, and AR experiences. In conclusion, omnichannel marketing is all about creating seamless, delightful customer experiences. Remember, it boosts customer satisfaction, revenue, and provides invaluable data insights. So, whether you are a small business or a global brand, consider adopting omnichannel marketing to meet your customers where they are and stay ahead in today's competitive landscape. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more insights on mastering the art of marketing.